Hello and welcome back to another amazing recipe. Today's video we are baking ginger biscuits. This is one of those recipes which is very close to my heart. A biscuit is a small baked unleavened cake, typically crisp, flat and sweet. These biscuits are easy to make with minimal ingredients and very simple. You just have the ingredients in your kitchen there. If you want to know how I made this crispy biscuit, keep watching. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. I have self-raising flour, ginger powder, icing sugar, milk, honey, and bicarbonate soda, and some brown sugar. I will leave all the ingredients with their exact measurements in the description box. Always first step when baking, sift your flour. This is self-raising flour. I'm going to use 2 cups. And I'm adding in bicarbonate of soda. We are not adding any baking powder because this is self-raising flour. But if you're using all-purpose flour, you need to add baking powder. Guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, feel welcome. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and watch the video up to the end. I'm adding icing sugar. I'll sift it. Brown sugar. Then give it a good mix. Going in with the margarine, you can use butter if you have, and blend it to incorporate. I will go in with my hands and rub the margarine in. Ensure all the margarine has completely dissolved and it has crumbling texture. And this is the consistency I was looking for. Now I'm going to add in ginger, give it a good mix, then make a well. And go in with your honey, or if you can get the golden syrup or even molasses, you can add it at this stage. And I'm going in with my milk. This is a cold milk. I'm going to use this spatula to bring them together until I have nice thick paste. And I think this liquid is just enough to incorporate the dough completely. I'm looking for a slightly rough dough. I'll go in with my hands and mix it, squeeze it and push everything together. For the liquid to incorporate completely, I'm looking for a slight rough dough here, no kneading. This is the consistency I was looking for, then I'm good to go. At this point, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I will use this ice cream scooper to measure my dough balls. Scoop the amount you want. It to your hands, at the palm of your hands, just make a round shape. At this point, if you like sugar, you can roll it in coated sugar. Then place it into your baking tray lined with parchment paper and press it a little down just to flatten it slightly. We'll continue with this until all the dough is done. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me a thumbs up. If you're coming across my video for the first time, feel welcome. This is a channel where delicious meals made simple and easy. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to support my channel and watch the video up to the end if you want to know this recipe. All my ginger biscuit dough has been shaped into round shapes, so I'm just going to flatten them using my hands. You can as well use something flat to press them just a little down. Create some space between them to allow them expand without touching to each other while baking. They are ready. I'm just going to take them into my preheated oven and it will bake for 12 minutes. My oven is set for 180 degrees Celsius. Aroma here is heavenly and my biscuits is ready. So we're just going to take them out. Wow, it's well brown. Look at the cracking. There we go. This is it. I will leave them to cool down in a baking tray for about 20 minutes or 30. This step is very important as you know the tray is also still hot and it will help the biscuits to dry out completely. Even if you touch it, you will feel some little moisture in it. It's been over 30 minutes. The biscuit is well dried. The longer it cools, the better the results. Becomes more crispy. Once completely cooled, you can enjoy it right away. This crack is the signature of the ginger biscuit. You can store them in an airtight container for later use. Look at it. Wow. The biscuits taste awesome. You can feel that crunchiness of ginger, hotness, and sweet. I love ginger. I can finish this in a sitting. And I'm going to enjoy mine with some hibiscus tea. I'm just taking the hibiscus tea. This is hibiscus dry leaves. I'm putting it in my infuser and adding some hot water. You can enjoy yours with any drink of your choice, whether it's cold or hot. The cracking on the top is a signature of ginger biscuits. Don't mistake it being dry. And the taste is awesome, crunchy, crispy. It was nice having you around, and I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you find this kind of content useful, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope to see you in my next and enjoy watching this video as you try. And if you try, don't forget to bring back your feedback. Happy baking!